we come up to the end of the day. Saturday, we've been working all week on this freeway.
Did you sign them out? What's up, sir?
These are better.
I finally got mine working again. I had to shut it off and reset it. No, I did not. Right on the other side of the next bridge. Right on that side of the bridge? Yes, sir.
Hey, I'm gonna need that portable. You're not using it anymore.
I forgot it at the house.
You forgot it at your house. ¿Eh?
Ahorita digo en qué cuarto estoy.
¿Ahorita qué?
Ahorita le digo en qué cuarto estoy.
Ah, usted.
Porque debo cambiar a mi primo el cuarto.
Ah, ok. Le vas a dar el de una recámara y te vas a quedar con dos. Ah, ok. Bueno, ahorita lo sigo, nomás déjame desocuparme con este niño.
Y aquí se lo dieron, se lo dé.
I still used a different charger. Forgot about it this morning. The ones I had wasn't working, so my mom left one. And it's like cling. I'll have him Monday.
I don't give a shit. You going around with him?
That's fine. If we gonna eat,
I'm gonna go eat.
We're paying, I'll go eat.
yeah, plenty, right?
Dude, my gosh, I went to that bathroom at the rest stop. The guy was calling the Centers of Disease Control. I don't know why. After I left.
Yeah. If you want to grab him, grab Josh.
Well, we come to the end of a beautiful week. With the exception of Tuesday, it started snowing, but
I know.
But I'll try to make sure everybody gets this video up on YouTube before the end of the day. Well, we're gonna head over to well, I did an inside view of the truck. That's pretty cool. There's a lot of traffic back there. Well, we're coming up to the end of the week. We're on a Wednesday now. We progressed pretty much well. Towards this way is already Big Spring. We were actually 16 miles away from it. As you can see, there's a lot of traffic going on. We're right in front of a gasoline refinery. Until today, and then maybe most of the morning tomorrow, unless they let us go late. Excuse me. The excess fume coming out of the refinery gets to you. These people are used to it, but I'm not. So this is Interstate 20. It runs all across the state of Texas. We are finishing up. We're putting a brand new pavement on the exit road. Not on the main road, because the main road's been taken care of already. It was the exit road that needed brand new pavement. But we're down to Wednesday. Tomorrow's Thursday. I'm not sure how long we're going to be working. For me, it'd be best to just work all day long. And then we'll have a 4-day weekend. Everybody that does not live in Big Springs will be headed home. Most of the people that I've known are from the Eagle Pass area. Laredo area. All that part there. I'm headed all the way. I'm headed all the way back to the valley again. I've been out here since February 27th, and have been here since then. We are going to return back on the 11th of March, and we will continue this all the way till I don't know when. First they were saying all the way up to the 16th, but now they might be thinking about maybe taking it through the whole month of March, and maybe the whole month of April, or half of April. Whichever way, there's a lot of work to do here in the Big Springs area, in the western part of Texas. We will be handling the area of Odessa, Texas, Midland area. Texas just arrived, but went off to the other way. We're coming up to, man, I didn't bring my truck. I usually have my iWatch, but I left it in the truck. And we're going to be coming up to maybe 5 o'clock. So we got 2 more hours to go before the shift is over.